Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a Chromebook. Many Chromebooks offer access to the Google Play Store, which is your gateway to playing Roblox. This means you can download and install the Roblox app just like you would on an Android phone or tablet. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of games right on your laptop, providing hours of fun. Before diving in, it's wise to check your Chromebook's compatibility. Most models from 2017 onwards fully support Android applications. You can usually find this information in your device settings or by a quick online search. Ensuring your operating system is updated will also help guarantee a smooth and enjoyable Roblox experience. Installing Roblox is quite simple. First, open the Google Play Store on your Chromebook. Use the search bar to find Roblox and select the official application. Then, just click the Install button. Once the download and installation are complete, you can simply click Open to launch the game and start playing immediately. To ensure the best possible Roblox experience on your Chromebook, consider a few optimization tips. Close any background applications or browser tabs to free up system resources. You might also adjust the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality for smoother performance. Finally, a stable and fast internet connection is crucial for uninterrupted gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.